it's of dubious legality, but fuck it. This van was originally called the Illuminator. It has transitioned into Stamp-O-Matic Projecto Van. We're shining on surfaces that are relevant, and when people come by, hey, what's this? We talk to them about our campaign. People are interested in what we're doing, and we talk to them about how they can participate by stamping their money. Excuse me, could I give someone $1? Can I give you $1? Would you like $1? Who wants $1?
Is this part of this thing?
Yes.
Tell me about it.
Oh, excellent. What I got here is my money stamping station. I'm stamping your money so that politicians are unable to use it. Now, no politician is going to use this dollar to buy elections. This dollar, statistically, is going to be seen by 875 people. Tonight, we want to make sure that as many people as possible can see our message.
Absolutely, we were taking photos.
The Stamp-O-Matic Projecto Van is an attention-getting mechanism. Do you see that guy? He's like, yeah!
Changing.